Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials. Today we came up with an interesting video that is on employee engagement. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon, check out our playlist. You will find 200 plus videos that will help you in cracking interview related to trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, WFM analyst, MS Excel report, dashboard, Six Sigma certifications. Many more videos are there. Please do check and let me know if you have any concerns or feedback. Let's move to today's video that is on employee engagement in call center. You guys have heard this many times that we do have a employee engagement activities in our company, but it's not that frequent, and people might feel bored while working for the continuous 8 or 9 hours. So why employee engagement is necessary? I have seen interviewer must and should ask this particular question to the team leaders, or might be mostly for the team leaders, to check like how they are good in terms of managing their team apart from their work schedule. So let's start. What is the call center employee engagement? The first point I want to keep here is the employee engagement is the motivation that keep agents energetic towards their work. It is obvious post working for 7.5 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours or 10 hours, agents, employees, even managers, they need some rest, some break, wherein they can have some fun activities, or they can also get recognized, or feedbacks, or anything apart from the work schedule should be conducted. It creates the positive environment where agents feel valued and connected to their job. This is also an important point. If there is no any employee engagement, only we are coming for the work, completing our work, going back to home, nothing new we are doing there. So if we do all these activities, definitely there will be a benefit in terms of good scores in the productivity, quality and utilization. This also improve the customer satisfaction and also improve the business, definitely, if employee engagements are there in the company. Mostly we have seen we have a fun Fridays, we have rewards and recognitions, many more activities, but just want to keep everyone informed that this should also be a part of our regular day-to-day activity, I would say. Next, agent feel relaxed and stress free during the busy work schedule. Also focus on the personal growth. It's obvious, guys. So this is also must and should need it. Now, what are the challenges? What are the challenges agent feel? What are the challenges agent feel? So I'll take a pause of 10 seconds. I want everyone to share your challenges, what you guys are facing in your company in terms of the employee engagement, and please share your feedbacks. Let's start, guys. Just see a 5 seconds gap. Okay, so we'll wait for your feedbacks and comments, guys. Let's see. There are many challenges in maintaining the employee engagement. I'll not go with the steps here. I'll go randomly. The first, I will say, if we have a hybrid or a work from home culture, definitely we will not able to connect personally with all our employees. It will be virtual, like in a meetings like Google, WebEx, or any of the platform we will meet there. But there are also some activities we can do. But let's see what challenges we are facing now. So one is work from home challenges. No fun activities. It's again like if you are in office or not in office, your team is not doing any fun activities and they are not doing any engagement activities. Strict adherence policy. You guys came for the production and work, you guys have to do that. There are no another activities for you guys. No feedbacks, rewards and recognitions. If these are also not there, definitely employee will not feel valued. High stress for the entire day, micromanagement, asking all the things repeatedly to the agents, and also performance matrices. So all these are the basic challenges I have mentioned here. If HR is asking you, you can go through this and you can explain in details if you required, guys. Next, we will move to how we can boost the employee engagement. So these are not only the boosting activities, I would say. We would have many more activities we can do, depending like what kind of thoughts you guys have, what kind of initiatives you want to take with for your team. So let's see like what we can do. Best things, the first I have mentioned here is Set realistic performance expectations. Sometimes what happen, we might get a targets which are beyond to our capacity or something. So what I personally suggest here is, don't directly go to the manager and say that, oh, we will not able to deliver that. First you guys have to try, you have to see, you have to do time and motion. Either it's a time consuming, AHT is getting impacted. Do all your research, all your analysis, post set a realistic performance expectations. If you are not doing, forcing the agents to do, definitely they will give dent in your productivity. Career development opportunities, I would say you guys always have this in place for your agents. Reason, if you don't do, definitely agent will or employees will search outside very soon, because they need a career growth anyhow. So such opportunities you guys have to identify. Training and certification, I personally feel this, if I go outside, definitely I need to pay 20,000 30,000 for the certifications and the training. If company is providing many certifications, definitely this is also an engagement activity for the agents. Next we have RNRs, reward and recognition. Self-explainable guys, you know this. Flexible in work schedule, fun Friday, team building activity, outing, team lunch. Plan something different for the work from home agent guys. Plan in weekends so that you can have an engagement with your team and you can create more confidence bond with your team guys. Definitely wellness sessions, much needed. I have seen many companies have a wellness team, they will conduct a wellness sessions for the agents. Celebrating festivals like birthdays, events, you can do all these activities also in order to keep your work life balance, and you can feel motivated. Let's move what benefits we will get if we have all these activities in place. Definitely our attrition will get reduced. If you ask a agent like how he feel in this particular organization, there should be a positive feedback. How that positive feedback comes, after and after only the employee engagement. It doesn't mean only games and activities we have to do. How value we are giving to the agents, either the agent is feeling valued every day. Once he coming to the office, he or she feel like, yes, I came here for some new things, I want to show my some creativity, anything. So everything is required guys. And next, work life balance, increase the productivity, improve customer satisfaction, employee feel motivated. So these are the benefits I would say in terms of employee engagement. I have shown you many points here. Definitely HR will not take more than 1 or 2 minutes for this particular question, but yes, if you are getting this particular question, definitely I would say go to this particular points, give your answers smartly and I would say loudly, so that HR or any of the interviewer will understand that yes, you are a people centric person, and definitely you are always ready to have engagement activities for the agents, and you also have certain plans to do that. So still have any doubt, please share your feedbacks and comments, and if you still have new thoughts, let me know. If you want to any other new video, let me know in a comment section. Definitely I will help you out guys. Also check out our LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook page. You will find many information related to the upcoming vacancies and many more information. Still have any doubt, just a message away guys, please let me know. Definitely I will try to help you out. Thanks a lot guys, have a great day. Don't miss to subscribe the channel.